And good day. Today we're having a look at two GameSir controllers. This is the GameSir T1D and the other one over here, this is the GameSir T1S. Now, having a quick look at them, they look basically identical. Well, they're not. This is a Bluetooth version. This one is Bluetooth and can also have an OTG cable connected. They are used for my little Tello quadcopter, so that's what I'm controlling with them. Now, the GameSir T1D works brilliantly, not a problem with Bluetooth, but you will have problems with video, in as much as the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi connection are trying to both work on the 2.4 bandwidth that you've got on your mobile phone. So you will get a bit of interference. It's not as smooth as it could be. Now I'll just open this up, show you how to get this thing started. I get that, come on, button, scroll through. With mine, I've got to go to additional settings, and you can see here OTG connection. You can turn it on or off. It's currently on, so that when you plug in a device, if I can get that in there, you can see here it lights up, and that's set up beautifully. So all the controllers are already mapped. Now if I pull that out, you can see the lights go off. Now this is the T1D. Now you think you're plugging it in and think, oh beauty, it's working. Yes, all it's doing at the moment is pulling power from the battery and the phone into here. When you pull this out, as you can see, it's still on. So that is still using a Bluetooth connector. Do not get fooled by it. Now, to sum up these controllers as fast as I can, the GameSir T1D is a dedicated controller for the DJI Ryze Tello. It can't be used with anything else. So if you buy this, you can only use it with a Tello, and forget trying to play games. It just will not work. The GameSir T1S, on the other hand, can be used to fly the Tello. You can use the dongle to run computer games on your computer, funny enough. You can also use games on your mobile phone via the OTG cable connection or Bluetooth, take your choice. This, in my opinion, the GameSir T1S is the outright winner. I wish I'd bought that one first, but I didn't. I have now, and I'm very satisfied with it. Thanks for watching.